Don't blink, because right now you're about to follow a story where everything is happening at this very moment. You're not just reading English. You're living inside the present continuous tense. Stay with me until the end, because Matthew's unexpected journey to London's not just a trip. It's a life-changing adventure you can learn from. The story, Matthew's London Adventure. A long story in 10 detailed parts, full of present continuous. Part 1. The unexpected morning. Matthew is standing in his kitchen, staring at his phone. His boss is calling him again and again. Matthew, we need you in London today. A big deal is happening. Matthew is blinking rapidly. This morning, I'm eating cereal. And now I'm flying to London, he whispers to himself. His suitcase is waiting under the table, unopened. He is rushing around the apartment now, grabbing clothes, throwing them into the suitcase, checking the time every 10 seconds. Outside, a taxi is honking loudly. Matthew is running out the door. His adventure is beginning. Part 2. At the airport. At the airport, Matthew is standing in a long line. Everyone around him is complaining, yawning, or scrolling on their phones. Matthew is holding his passport tightly. He is listening to announcements echoing through the terminal. Passengers for Flight 214 to London. We are boarding now. He is hurrying to the gate. A flight attendant is smiling at him. Inside the plane, he is looking out the window while the engines are roaring loudly. This is really happening, he thinks. Part 3. Up in the sky, Matthew is sitting by the window. A baby nearby is crying, a couple in front of him is arguing, and the man beside him is snoring. Matthew is trying to relax. He is watching the clouds float beneath the plane. A flight attendant is offering drinks. Matthew is taking a cup of tea. He smiles. I'm flying to London. Right now? It's happening. Part 4. Arrival in London. The plane lands. Matthew is stepping onto British soil for the first time. At the airport, people are rushing in every direction. Taxi drivers are shouting, and tourists are taking pictures everywhere. Matthew is pulling his suitcase across the floor. He is searching for his hotel shuttle. London is buzzing with life. Part 5. Exploring the city. The next morning, Matthew is walking through the streets near his hotel. He is taking pictures of red buses, smiling at street performers, and following the smell of fresh pastries. At Buckingham Palace, tourists are waving their flags. Guards are marching in perfect rhythm. Matthew is enjoying every moment. Part 6. A strange phone call. Suddenly, his phone is ringing. His boss is shouting, "Where are you?" The meeting is starting. Matthew is gasping. He totally forgot. He is jumping into a taxi, giving the driver the address, and checking his watch nervously. The taxi is moving fast through narrow London streets. Part 7. The important meeting. Matthew is entering the tall glass building. People inside are typing, walking, and talking quickly. In the conference room, everyone is waiting for him. His boss is glaring. Matthew is presenting the project now. His hands are shaking, but his voice is growing stronger. The clients are listening carefully. Part 8. The big opportunity. After the meeting, Matthew's boss is smiling for the first time ever. They loved it. You're leading the London expansion. Matthew is blinking in shock. I'm staying here. Yes. London needs you. And you're doing great. Matthew's heart is beating fast. Part 9. A new life begins. Days later, Matthew is searching for an apartment. He is talking to agents, visiting buildings, and trying to pick the right area. He is buying coffee from small cafes, learning the tube map, and meeting new coworkers. London is becoming his new home. Part 10. The final moment. One evening, Matthew is standing on a bridge overlooking the River Thames. The city lights are shining on the water. Tourists are taking pictures, and boats are moving slowly under the bridge. He is smiling to himself. A few days ago, he was just eating cereal. Now he is building a new life in London, and his journey is just beginning. Thank you for watching and listening. For more stories, please like and subscribe and share your comments.